The vision for Wakatu is to create a centre where we can grow the whole of the aquaculture industry of New Zealand. We believe that all the components have to be in the same place. We need to have the research with the pilot plants, with the production, with the education all together, and from that we can create a centre almost like the Silicon Valley of seafood. So with all those expertise together, they'll start feeding off each other and create a momentum whereby we can get research and turn it into applied commerce. The government's got a goal to create aquaculture into 1 billion industry by 2025. That won't happen by chance. To create that goal, we'll have to move into other species. Currently, the aquaculture industry is based on 3 species. The largest, which is mussels by far, followed by salmon, and then oysters. If we're to meet the goal of $1 billion, it needs to expand into other species. The whole principle behind Horoirangi is to create the physical base where these other species can be brought into production, where we can test the economic viability, run pilot plants, and then turn it into commercial operations where they need a land-based operation, for example, to grow spat or to grow fingerlings. We hope Horoirangi will be that based. These young juveniles can then be taken out onto the water and then farmed in sea farms, and then the crop brought home to be further processed into added value. It's with this expansion of the base into higher value species we'll achieve the goal of $1 billion by 2025. We go into the design and approval stage to get resource consent. This was expected to take approximately 18 months, so it'll take all of 2010, and hopefully by the middle of 2011 we'll be actually into the physical works. We're building the pipeline and building the infrastructure, and then that will take possibly another 18 months. So it'll be 3 years before we actually get into commercial production.